Most people assume digital banks are all the same, but the surprising truth about Liberty Plus Bank in 2026 is how much emphasis it puts on user freedom and transparency. Let's break it down. Liberty Plus Bank is a digital-first bank offering checking, savings, and basic money management tools. Opening an account is fast, with no paperwork headaches. Once inside, users get access to fee-free checking and competitive savings options. One of Liberty Plus Bank's biggest strengths is its no hidden fee structure. Overdraft protection is handled with clear alerts and optional buffers instead of penalties. Most people get this wrong by ignoring small fees that add up, but Liberty Plus eliminates many of them entirely. The savings feature is also solid, offering automated transfers and progress tracking. For example, users can set rules that move spare change or a percentage of income into savings automatically. Liberty Plus Bank includes spending insights that highlight patterns and suggest small improvements. You won't believe how often users discover subscriptions they forgot about. The limitation is that Liberty Plus Bank doesn't offer advanced investment or credit building products. It's meant for everyday banking, not complex financial strategies. In conclusion, Liberty Plus Bank in 2026 is still worth it for users who want simplicity, transparency, and control over their money. If you appreciate straightforward banking, subscribe for more trusted reviews.